I am putting my oil pan over here onto my engine, and what I did first is, you can see there's like some pins or whatever. What I did is I got some bolts from the hardware store and I cut the head off the bolts, and with my vise I put a file in a vise and got my drill, and then just put these pins in the drill and just went back and forth and sharpened up the tips of them. But I'm just going to use those as alignment pins. So that I can get that, turn it upside down, and then just slowly put it down on the pins. And then there's a alignment hole right there, and then another large alignment hole right here that corresponds to this and this alignment pin right there. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to align all that stuff up, and here's the seals. I made sure that I got all the oil and stuff off of the seals. I just kind of got one of these paper towels wet with the brake cleaner and just kind of rubbed it off there, and they should be pretty clean and ready to install. But I guess the first thing I'm going to do, I cleaned all of the surfaces like really well with brake cleaner and a paper towel, and I don't even want to like bump into it like with my arm and get any oil on there at all, because I want the seal real well. But I clean these surfaces really good with all the surfaces, and like even these right here, I cleaned all down through here really well, all the sealing surfaces. I got a steel brush and cleaned off all the old gasket material, and you could see there is just absolutely none left on there. And I got a paper towel and kept rubbing off stuff. They're just black stuff that just kept coming off until finally nothing came off anymore off of the aluminum. So I got it all clean, and then I got this all clean. I have installed the sealant, and I kind of went around the bolts. I got a little bit messy here and there, but the seal should squeeze whenever I put this onto the engine here. That's what the sealant looks like. I just put it on, and okay, and here we go. There it is. I got it down in place, and it looks pretty good everywhere. Okay. The next thing to do is I'm looking up the torques of these bolts, and I'll line up these bolts real quick. It says the torque at 12 to 15 foot-pounds. Takes about 30 minutes, I guess, for the sealant to kind of dry up. So I gotta kind of get this done a little quick. Put the special thing on the end of it, and 12 to 15 foot-pounds. There's 10 foot-pounds. What I'll do is I'll just tighten it up by hand first. Just to squeeze the gasket material. This is crazy the way that it tightens up like this. Yeah, the gasket material is coming out like really pretty. There, it's finally tightening down to 10. There's 10. Yeah, I want everything tight in the engine, you know. So here's 15. There we go. That's really squeezing it. And there's 15. Woo! Well, that's the video for now, and I'll do the next part